to Group 4's presentation of our iRide Charter. My name is Bud Wortham and I will be presenting for Group 4. Luckily I have such a wonderful team and so far it's been a wonderful experience. Now the question is, what is iRide? What's the need for it? Well, iRide is simply a local shuttle service to help students and residents of Rexburg to get to where they need to go, whether it is in town, to Idaho Falls, or a trip home for the holidays. For students, it's tough to get around sometimes when they don't have a vehicle, or maybe gas is just getting too expensive. Uh, Luckily, we're going to provide a service that will be offered through a website that will give incentives to drivers to help those in need. This website will be simple, quick, and easy to use to find a driver and to find somebody that needs a ride. Our project goals are very simple. We want to help users to get to where they need to go, and we want to make their experience of traveling enjoyable and safe. Another big goal of ours is to create a community of people, of drivers and people that need rides. By creating a community, we'll be able to keep our website going and we'll be able to get more and more people interested. The best examples I can think of a community is communities in Facebook and Reddit and Tumblr and Twitter, just people coming together and helping each other out. Another main goal of ours is to help reduce living costs for students and for residents. Having a vehicle, purchasing gas, getting around, it takes up money that students and sometimes residents don't have. Our group is split up into two teams, the programmers and the marketing team. Now our programmers are going to be in charge of doing all of the coding, creating the website, doing the verification, double checking everything, making sure it works, and just plainly putting out a high quality website for everyone to use. Now our marketing team is going to go out there, do some surveys, get the word out there, find out what we need, and find out what we can improve on. To reach our goals, we're going to do things as simply as we can and to go over them with a fine-tooth comb. Our marketing team is going to head on out there, find out what the people in Rexburg are up to, find out what sort of shuttle service they're looking for, some opportunities that we might have missed, and take some surveys and get back to the programmers. Now the programmers are going to take all the information that the marketing team brings us, put it into the website, send it back to the marketing team and see what people think of it, and then just keep going back and forth. Now the verification, our whole team is going to work on that together. We're going to make sure that we have a high quality website. We're going to make sure everything works perfectly. We're going to make sure we have the incentives for the drivers, and we're going to give people a reason to use our website. And the last question we're going to ask ourselves is, when are we done? The simple way to answer that is the project is done when all the user testing results have been resolved. This includes resolving all the bugs that are in the programming of the website. When this is done, we will officially start advertising and launch our website for all users and for everyone around Rexburg to use. And I want to thank everyone for listening in to Group 4 on our presentation, and I hope you'd enjoyed it.